Hi, are you looking for a tour package to send your elderly parents? Take your family with young children? Single lady traveler worried about safety aspect? Coming from a distant city and do not know the local language Kannada? Or a government employee wishing to avail LTC facility? Here is a tour package just made for you. Why take this tour? Only families are on this tour. Professional guy who can speak English, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu will be with you throughout. Those who are above 60 years get senior citizen discount. Same bus, same seats throughout. It's a tour operated by KSTDC, Government of Karnataka undertaking. What does this tour include and exclude? This tour includes transportation by bus. You have to pay for your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and all entrance charges at sightseeing places. Book with us.